Hello everyone, this is Shay. I don't know why it's so up close and personal, but I have one of those smart gadgets, so it moves when I move. Okay, well, I like to talk about hair paint wax. I used it today. You probably can't tell, but you can really tell in the light. So now I'm a blondie, and I hear blondes have more fun. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I mixed two colors together, and those colors were orange and as well blue, and it made like a charcoal chocolate color, and therefore it's in my hair. I don't know how long it's going to be in my hair, and I'll be able to show you these products pretty soon. Pretty soon, just be patient. So yeah, welcome to my channel, and this is the Mac name showing. Just playing. So going on other supporting businesses, I just ate a really great kale potato bowl by this girl. Well, she's a chef, Chef T, and she specializes in vegan meals, and so that it was a pretty good experience. She does meal prep too. So this is a very short video. I really enjoyed that meal. I really hope that I'm able to get some more. I think it's Sunday, and she makes deliveries on Sundays. So like, I should have been putting an order, but I was like, yeah, I already have food with the wop, because I hardly ate any of my meal prep from the last week. So I'm like, okay, why would I pay for something else again? And she's having the same menu, and so since it's vegan, it was very different for me to acquire these tastes, but I did thoroughly enjoy that bowl. Okay, so you guys check out her page. Is Black Tea on Instagram, and she has a series of different dishes that she actually does post on there. She's very talented. You should check her out. Yeah, and it's for a good cause, y'all. Support black business, okay?